Hey, what's up, guys? This is the boy Dennis here, guys. Welcome to my channel again. In this channel, we talk about making money online, and I share also some ways to make money online, guys. And also, I do some traveling videos, guys. So, if this is a thing that you are interested in, make sure you hit subscribe button, like this video also, and also put a notification bell so that you won't miss whatever video that I'm putting in. So, guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. As you can see, guys, this is my channel here. There's a lot of things, a lot of videos. Go and watch there, guys. If you are looking ways to make money, fine. There's a lot of videos, guys. I go deeper. So yeah, that's it, man. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you on some two sites, very trusted one, the one that's going to help you on how to start making money online, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Without wasting much time, let's get the first one, guys. It's called Muyiyo. Muyiyo is my favorite one, the site that I'm using myself to start making money. And also, as you can see, they're available in each and every country. So it doesn't matter whenever you are Africa, but mostly the countries that are in United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, South Africa. So it's in also Turkey, Poland, Russia, Ukraine, Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, Colombia, and Peru. These are the countries that this website is offering uh, that opportunity. As you can see, the reviews, guys, people are saying surveys are quick and easy to fill in, very interesting survey, good rewards. It has some, as you can see, you can go ahead and also read everything these guys for you in order to start making money as soon as possible, guys. For there's a lot of, if you want to start making money, first go and sign up here. As you can see, sign up, put everything, put your name, put your email address and password, then you click sign up. So there's a lot of things. Also, you can start here. We say it's a base. You can start here number one. It's like this number two, number three. As you can see, you can go and read all these ways, guys. This is how it works. So yeah, as you can, this is number one. It's called muyeyo.com. So number two, guys, the last one, it's called the GPT Planet. It's a similar to the first one also, as you can see here. This it has paid totally of close to $1 million, guys, as you can see here, and it has more than 91,000 members. So that's how it works, man. So it's a similar to the first one. Also, what you have to do is to register. And also, you can go and start reading all this in order for you to understand how the site works, guys. That's what I can try like to tell you. So yeah, that's it, man. If you have any question, please comment down below. I'll be able to answer all the questions, guys. So yeah, that's it, man. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll try to stop this video today, and I'll see you again in the next video, guys. So yeah, see you. Bye bye.